Let's see how to clone a GitHub repository in Visual Studio Code. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks! The first step is to install Git if you don't have it yet, because without it, we won't be able to clone anything, so go to Google and search for Git download. Then click here and download it. I won't do it because I already have it installed. Alright, in my case, I want to clone this repository, so we copy the URL. Now go to the desktop and create a new folder. Click here, type cmd, and press enter. In the command prompt, type git clone and paste the repository URL, then hit enter and it will automatically start cloning. As you can see, here it is. Now, to open it in VS Code, just click on File, then Open Folder and select the cloned repository folder. And that's it. Thanks for watching.